10th class student, exercise 12.2. Areas related to circle. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Radius of circle is equal to 45 semi in given question. Theta is y 8 ribs in umbrella. Theta will be 360 degree upon 8 is equal to 45 degree. Area of sector between two ribs. Between two ribs is equal to theta upon 360 pi r square. Theta value is 45 upon 360. Pi value is 22 upon 7 into r value is 45. 45 8 ja 1 upon 8 into 22 upon 7 into 45 into 45. Divide by 2 is 4. 11 ja after multiply 7 4 ja 28 upon is 28. Then multiply 222 7 5 upon 28 semi square is area of two ribs. Question number 10 is complete. Question number 11. 11 is a car has two wipers. Length of blade will be radius of sector. The radius of circle blade of length is equal to 25 cm. Wiper is 2. Angle between one 5 degree move the one wiper. Area of the sector area of both sector. Why two wiper has a car. Area of both sector clean area. Area is equal to theta upon 360 pi r square. R is equal to 25, angle is 115 degree upon 360, pi value is 22 upon 7 into r value is 25. After multiply 23 divided by 5, 36. 23 upon 36, 5 7 ja 72. 72 into 22 upon 7, 6, 25 square is 625. Divide by 2 into wiper is 2 into 2 divided by 36, 2 divided by 18, 2 divided by 11. After multiply 158, 18 7 ja 126, 23 multiply by 11 and 6 to 5 is multiply 15, 8 125. Semi square is clean by the both bladed. Question number 11 is complete. Question number 12. 12 is one ship distance angle is equal to theta is equal to 80 degree and distance will be radius of circle. Radius of circle will be 165 km. Find the area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 pi r square. Theta value is 80 upon 360, pi value is 22 upon 7, pi value is 20 upon 7 naught by 3.14 and r value is 16.5. 0 divided by 0, 4 2 ja 8, 4 9 ja 2 upon 9 into 3.14 into 16.5 into 16.5 divide by 3, 5.5 divided by 3, 16.5, 5.5. After multiply, the all will be 189.97. Km square is area of the given the question. Question number 12 is complete. Question number 13. Question number 13 is a round table a design. Show the figure. One part is show O is center, radius is equal to 28 cm. We find the dotted part with design the you mean area of minor segment. Find the cost of rate 0.3 per centimeter square. Round table is 6 equal part. Then theta will be 360 upon 6. 6 by 60, angle between 60 degree. Radius is equal to will be 28 cm. Area of sector theta upon 360 pi r square. Theta is equal to 60 upon 360. Pi value is not given. 22 upon 7 into 28 square upon 6. 1 upon 6 into 22 upon 7, 28 into 28. 7 4 ja 28, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4 upon 3 is equal to, after multiply 22 and 2 and 28 will be 1232. Divide by 3, 410.67. Semi square is area of this sector. In triangle, angle is 60. In triangle AOB will be equilateral triangle. Which side is 28 cm. Both radius are equal. Then angle each will be 60 60. Equilateral triangle, area of equilateral triangle AOB is equal to under root 3 upon 4 into side square that is formula under root 3 upon 4 into 28 square under root 3 upon 4 into 28 into 28 7 जा √3 value is 1.7 into 7 into 28 after multiply 333.2 semi square is area of triangle. Area of one minor segment is equal to area of sector minus area of one minor sector is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of triangle is after minus 77.47 semi square is area of the one part. Area of all design is equal to 6 design as the dotted. So 6 into 77.47 after multiply 464.62 semi square is area of the design. The cost of design is equal to 464.62 into 0.35 by multiply in rate of design. After multiply will be 162.61 semi RS. That is complete the 13 question. Thank you.